This is Hayley. Like you, Hayley endeavours to be an exemplary citizen and a steward of the planet. She's just learned that one of the simplest and most impactful things to do is compost, so she decides to get on board. Instead of food waste going to the trash that's dumped in a landfill, she simply collects food scraps in her bin for her city to pick up for composting. What could be easier? Well, there is the odour. And the mess. And the frequent changing. As well as the scrubbing. So yes, Hayley's life has changed. She can't say she'd anticipated this amount of commitment, but to soldier on, she reminds herself that the Earth's health is at stake and that methane is created from organic waste in landfills, and reducing methane emissions is the fastest way to slow the rate of global warming. She knows with no doubt that she's doing the right thing. But fear not, Hayley. Chin up, take a look at this. The palm bin makes composting easier than ever. Its cooling technology stops the growth of odour-causing bacteria, keeping your disposable liners and mental health intact. This means no more stinky kitchen. The palm bin is built with circularity in mind, using sustainable materials, and its refined appearance adds elegance to your home. A sensor monitors the amount of food collected, so you can track your impact. When it's finally time to empty the palm bin, touch-free disposal keeps our dear friend Hayley's hands clean. And if it needs a clean-up, the palm bin's inner caddy and lid are dishwasher safe. Now Hayley can gain back a bit more time for herself. Sweet dreams, Hayley. Join Hayley, won't you? By supporting us on Kickstarter, you too can have a measurable impact on the environment. Make composting easy and effortless with Palm.